Welcome to day 886 of Uke A. It's a late night, but feeling a little energized because it's my weekend. And got a lot done today. A lot of unpacking, and that always feels good. It would be nice just to have the baseline of my life in order. But until then, it's Rain and Tacos. This is by Perry Grip. I believe I first heard this song from an old roommate. I think she used to play this for her kids. It's a cute kitty song. Okay, here we go. It's raining tacos, mud in the sky, tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shell, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Oh, raining tacos. Oh, it's raining tacos. Oh, it's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Oh, raining tacos. Oh, raining tacos. Oh, it's raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's so cute. Okay, have a good one. Bye.